Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here, coming to you live on this fine Sunday evening. I hope you're all doing well. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, yes, I'm coming to you live, ladies and gentlemen. This is a live stream. I hope everyone is having an incredible weekend. I wanted to jump on a live obviously to speak with every one of you in the live chat, so make sure that you leave your comments and I will get to every single one of you at the end of the live stream. All right, I love doing these. I love speaking with everyone. It's freaking awesome. So there is a lot happening today in the news, and yes, there is quite a bit going on with Ripple and XRP, of course. We also have the Reserve Bank updates with XRP and the XRP ledger. It's incredible. The price glitch that occurred, ladies and gentlemen. Insane. $50 price glitch. I wonder what happened there. Obviously, we've got Gemini updates as well. You've got Donald Trump now holding crypto, which is crazy. Hedera. A lot happening with Bitcoin now as well. The Litecoin halving event as well. There's quite a bit to go through with that. Solana. Guys, undervalued right now and could obviously repeat what Ethereum did in the last bull run, which is insane. And WorldCoin, I literally just filmed. This is no BS, right? I'm watching Bloomberg as we speak, a lot of finance news, and I just watched an interview with David Rubenstein and Mike Novogratz, and there was mention of WorldCoin in there, guys, which is freaking insane. Insane. So we're going to have a look at WorldCoin. I haven't really dug pretty deep on this thing, and it's crazy, and we're going to have a look at it together. And yes, this is a live stream. It is the 13th of August, 2023, and it is 9:48 p.m. So welcome, everyone, to the live stream. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I see all of your comments in the live chat, and I will get to those very shortly, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, I'm going to get into this now. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Now, if you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here on my lives, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are just getting freaking insane in this space. Also, if you can give this live stream and video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. Okay, so make sure you give it a good thumbs up, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, I'm looking at all of you in the live chat. It is down there. It is free, guys. Don't hesitate. Press the freaking button. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. Now, formalities are out of the way. Welcome to the live stream. Welcome from the United States, the UK. Welcome, 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 everyone from around the world. Welcome, 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 welcome. Now, I'm going to go straight to the community tab, ladies and gentlemen, and there is quite a bit to get through today. Now, again, this came out today on Twitter. I'm not sure if anyone actually saw this. Let me know in the live chat. This is actually the liquidity of XRP on the following exchanges right here, which is just insane. Upbit currently holding 3.8 billion. Kraken currently holding 541 million XRP. Binance 494 million. Again, this is pretty crazy. Coinbase is up there right now with a 10 million XRP currently on the exchange. Binance US, 10 million. Well, Binance US really couldn't do anything. I mean, they were locked up for so many years. Hitbit currently holds 500K. There are others on this list, to be quite honest with you. I can't actually get this, but it's crazy. But only less than 11.3% of XRP supply is available to the public, meaning yourself and I that are watching this right now, which is crazy when you think about it, right? Absolutely insane. Now, the SEC delayed decision right here on Cathie Wood's spot Bitcoin ETF, which is just nuts when you think about this, right? But they approved a futures ETF, a leveraged ETF, and a Bitcoin short ETF. Why won't they approve a spot Bitcoin ETF? It's absolutely mental when you think about it. Anyway, moving on, top altcoins in my portfolio. Yes, these get posted up every single day in the Patreon, guys, and that is linked below. I've been putting up a lot of updates in there and my trading bots. We'll get into that in a second. I'll actually show you guys what that's like. Shiba Inu was up. Now, this one gets me, right? But XPR Proton is not XRP. It's a completely different project. It's actually pretty cool. I got into this in the previous bull market. I'd say I found it. Basically, you use the username of somebody, because you know how when we send cryptocurrencies to people, we need that massive address, all right? It's quite annoying and frustrating, and if you get it wrong, you freaking lost your money. It pisses me off, but it happens. However, XPR Proton uses usernames, pretty much like PayPal in a sense, to send crypto. So again, I got into the project, I should say, and I do hold it. Anyway, CKB Nervous Network, we had Doge and TLM. Play to earn games have been doing quite well the last few days, especially Illuvium, which was a $1,000 cryptocurrency. Illuvium, it's a pretty cool game as well, and I'm very, very bullish on Star Atlas at the moment as well. Another play to earn game. NFTs, crazy, crazy, crazy. So there you go, a couple of things there. And of course, we had the SEC still delaying everything, and yet I've got a pretty bullish video on Bloomberg that I did record on my phone. I'm going to play it to all of you on the video and live stream now that we're on. All right. Anyway, guys, yes, this is a live stream. Leave your comments in the live stream. I want to talk with everyone. No BS. Anyway, guys, I'm going to go to Coinspot now. Again, they are an official partner of the channel. For those of us in Australia, if you are new to cryptos in Australia, please feel free to use the referral link. You will get $10 in Bitcoin if you do that, but with this stuff, please do your own research and due diligence. Now, prices are in Australian dollars. Everything else is set to US dollars. I'm going to have a quick run through my favorite coins, all right? Now, again, $45,000 Bitcoin today. That is Australian dollars, just to freaking clarify, because I get so much, feedback on that. It's Australian dollars and everything else is set to US dollars. Now, 45,000 Bitcoin. Ethereum's at 2,925. You've got XRP at 99 cents, down 0.51% today, which is actually quite good. A good dollar cost averaging opportunity, in my opinion. We have Dogecoin at 12 cents as well. Cardano is at 45 cents. Does anyone hold ADA? Let me know in the live chat, guys. I'm watching you all right now. I'm actually watching you guys. Cardano, I do hold it. Now, Solana, $39. Again, I remember this being a lot higher than this during the previous bull market. And it was just crazy that the whole collapse of FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried, this thing went crashing down. So I dollar cost averaged into it. I threw some money in it, and I'm very, very bullish on Solana. And yes, Raoul Pal, again, Goldman Sachs manager, pretty credible if you ask me. Anyway, I like his channel and obviously what he's done in his past. And again, most of his portfolio is Solana, because he believes also that this could have another run as to the Ethereum levels right here. And again, isn't that going to be incredible? So that's one to keep an eye on, all right? It's not financial advice, but again, I'm wanting to buy more of Solana. Now, we've got Matic as well, $1.07. Shiba Inu as well. Has anyone actually seen Da Vinci talking about Shiba Inu? I mean, he did call Bitcoin a long time ago, and yeah, I guess that's his claim to fame, but that's cool. But, he's been talking heavily about Shiba Inu lately as well. Shibarium, building their layer 2, which is going to be pretty crazy when you think about it. And I'm still holding on to my Shiba Inu as well. I have not sold it. So let me know in the live chat if you are going to be dollar cost averaging into Shiba Inu. I'm curious. Now, Litecoin, $131. Price really did not move much. However, I'm still bullish on Litecoin, and I do hold this in my portfolio. Now, scrolling down, Chainlink is definitely undervalued at $11. Working with a lot of projects. A lot. Go and have a look at their website. It's crazy. Obviously, Stellar here at 21 cents as well. Basically a fork of Ripple, if you ask me. Again, it's just a no-brainer in my opinion. Hedera as well. There are some updates about Hedera. 8 cents. Moving down VeChain at 2 cents. Doing freaking nothing for a long time. Again, I've been talking about VeChain for like 2.5 years. This thing has been doing absolutely nothing. However, supply chain and logistics are moving onto the blockchain. And yes, they're partnered with the UFC. So anyway, I do hold that. It's going to be a big project in the future. Maybe, I'd say probably the next 4 to 5 years, but I'm willing to wait. Quant, $160. I do kick myself every day because I could have bought more of this at 80 Australian dollars. It was around about 60 US dollars a long time ago now. But anyway, moving on, Algo as well, 18 cents, XDC at 10 cents. Again, I'm still bullish on this project. If you've been watching my channel now for the last 2.5 years, plenty of people were dollar cost averaging into this at around the 2 to 3 cent level, Australian dollars, by the way. And Theta as well, $1.16. We also have Neo as well at $13. Again, it's like a Chinese-based Ethereum. It's a layer 1. You do earn passive income, by the way, holding Neo on Coinspot, believe it or not. You get paid the gas token on Coinspot if you hold Neo. There you go. Pretty cool. CFX as well, 28 cents. Pepe up 3.67%. Now, I do trade this on my bots, which are really incredible as well. Gala, again, I'm still bullish on play to earn games. 3 cents right here. IOTA's at 27. We have Casper as well at 6 cents. Still undervalued. Very, very nice. Now, ladies and gentlemen, yes, on the live stream, welcome everybody. There's currently 207 people at the moment. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You skipped Dot. Yeah, I did skip Dot, actually. Thank you for that. Who have we got there? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Sorry, guys. Anyway, let's have a look at Polkadot. Because, again, I'm very bullish on Polkadot, actually, to be quite honest. Let's have a look here. Where are you? Currently $7.96 at the moment, which is nice. Nice. Now, let's go to Crypto Bubbles. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below in the description. Again, this is my bullish community that I love talking with everyone in there directly, which is awesome. I'm putting up all my buys, my sells, my trades, my crypto trading bots, which I'll show you just after this, my indicators, the news before I go live on the channel. My most recent thing is crypto day trading bots, which are just insane. Literally, you can set it on a long or short position and take small profits, and it continuously trades 24 hours a day. Literally, it's insane. And I've got a full video on how to set this all up in the Patreon. Also, more importantly, what I love putting up here is my dividend investing. Now, crypto is very different from the traditional stock market, but dividend investing for me has provided cash flow, and it's growing slowly, slowly, slowly. Less volatile, a lot freaking less volatile than, I'd say, crypto. But again, it's nice to have that portfolio for that passive income that will provide later on in life. Very, very bullish. Okay, so again, Wall Street Bull University, thank you to those 297 people. You guys absolutely rock. And there's 1,024 posts. No BS when I say I post up here every single day. Golden information, 1,000 posts. Now, just while I'm here on the live stream as well, guys, I do want to show you this. Now, and OKX is an official partner of the channel. They are incredible, and again, they don't really break the you-know-what's downstairs with too many regulations on KYC or leveraged trading. I know in Australia, Binance literally doesn't allow leveraged trading. There are some other things as well in the United States and around the world that doesn't allow it. OKX does, which is incredible. And also, for those of you that are watching now that are in the Patreon, and if you're not, go join up. I just want to say I've been getting a lot of messages in regards to this in terms of not being able to access OKX in the United States. There is a way around it. You do need a VPN server, all right? Now, again, you can use anything you wish, NordVPN, whatever it is. I'm not paid to say that, but I mean, any VPN server will get you access to this platform. Also, there is trading bot software, that you will need as well in conjunction with OKX to use this, and I'll show you in a second. But as you can see right here on the day, I mean, it's not crashed on the day. I'm up $14 on the day, but don't look at that for a second. But have a look on the week. I'm currently up 64% on the week, $1,140.70 on the week. Now on the month, let's just have a look. I'm up $1,573.19, 118%. That's 118% in 30 days, which is just crazy when you really think about it. And I've got my TV up because this is live, so I do apologize. But again, 118%. And I put up this stuff in the Patreon, how I actually do this. I'm going to show you right now. These are the positions that I've currently got open up, all right? So you can see right here what this does. It opens up positions on perpetual futures. Right here, I've got long positions open up on these on 25x leverage. Now, again, 25x leverage is insane, all right? It may not sound like a lot, but it is a lot, okay? I've done day trading before, and I'm sure a lot of you have used day trading with leverage. I've gone to the extremes on Bitcoin where I've used 125x leverage on a trade, and basically the principle is this: the higher the leverage, the quicker you're going to get liquidated if that happens, right? So again, I've stuck with 25. I think that's a great medium. And again, what these do basically with my bots in the Patreon essentially is take small profits. That is it. Small profits, very, very small profits, but literally just does not stop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, which is insane. So anyway, Guys, I've got Pepe, link right here, Shiba Inu, of course that's going to go pretty crazy. CFX, we've got Curve, we've got XLM, basic attention tokens, Solana, Dogecoin positions right here, Comp, BSV, Optimism, Phantom, Woo Network as well, Matic, I've got XRP, of course, that's a given, Bitcoin, Ethereum right now, again, I'm up, as you can see right here. So I just want to point out the Ethereum trading bots that I've got set up, well basically these are all run through the day trading bots. I'm currently up $1.39 USDT, and again, small profits. Think about it, really, really small profits, taking them literally 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This thing does not stop, it's insane. It's unbelievable. Anyway, Cardano, Litecoin right here, near protocol. So again, got 22 positions opened up. Now, I did set up some other bots in the Patreon as well. I'm not sure how these are going. I haven't checked them. We've got Shiba Inu on 50x leverage on a neutral position as well. These bots basically are grid bots. So buying low, selling high, doing that consistently based on the amount of grids you set. So Shiba Inu as well, I do have this open given the fact that Shiba Inu and Shibarium is going to be launching. Pepe as well, and Bitcoin right here, which is really nice. So keeping an eye on these guys, that's in the Patreon. And again, this is why I'm saying I put a lot of bullish stuff up there. Anyway, let's move on, ladies and gentlemen. Join up to the Patreon, guys. Link is below. You will not regret it. Now, of course, we've got crypto bubbles. Rune is up 17.7% today, 45% on the week, and 27% on the month. There's pretty good gains on that. $1.37 USD. That's nice. XRD Radix up 7.5% on the day, currently trading at 5 cents USD. I'm not invested in that. Toncoin, again, 9% on the day. I saw this floating around the last couple of days, and yeah, I might look at opening a couple of trades on this one. At 19 on the week and 5.2% on the month. Does anyone actually hold this? Toncoin. Toncoin, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know in the live chat if you currently hold Toncoin. Anyway, moving on, guys. Yes, this is a live stream, and this is my kitchen at the moment because it's Sunday and I'm at home. Anyway, we have Chainlink as well, up 0.9%, which is really nice as well. 5.1 on the week, 4.6 on the month, $7.51 for Chainlink. I still think that's incredibly undervalued. We also have Shiba Inu down today as well. It's still up 10.9 on the week and 33% on the month. So many zeros, and I would love to see a few zeros taken off there, of course. And there is a lot happening with the burn on Shiba Inu. Does anyone obviously like XDC? It's down 3.2% as well. 85% on the month at 6 cents. It's incredible to see that, guys. Now, I'm moving on to the news. Now, again, everyone probably saw this, but we had XRP briefly hitting $50 on Gemini as a user suspect a relisting price glitch, which is pretty crazy. And I wonder if anyone actually bought it when that happened. But anyway, crypto users have reported seeing a wonky prices of Ripple's XRP token on Gemini crypto exchange hours after it relisted the token on its platform for deposits and trading. Several crypto community members on Twitter on August 11th posted screenshots of what many have described as a price glitch that has seen XRP's displayed price on the exchange rise above $1 a number of times, and even spiking to $50 on one occasion. $50 on one occasion. That is insane right there. I would love to see that. It will happen eventually. Now, this is crazy, but the Reserve Bank of New Zealand, our friends from over the pond, collaborates with Ripple on CBDCs using the XRP ledger. I wonder if Australia and the rest of the world are going to be doing this. I think they are, just quietly. And the Reserve Bank of New Zealand and Ripple are discussing the creation of these central bank digital currencies. These are coming, ladies and gentlemen. I don't like them. I freaking hate them. But anyway, the partnership leverages Ripple's blockchain expertise and success of XRP to advance the integration of digital currencies into the financial system. The partnership could pave the way for other financial institutions to integrate digital currencies securely, potentially reshaping the discourse on CBDC viability. Oh, this is wild right now. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand. Hurry up, Australia. Now again, yes, $2.6 trillion glitch causes the crypto price chaos after XRP led Bitcoin and Ethereum boom. And this is pretty crazy when you think of these levels right here. Now, the price glitch has caused Ripple's XRP top 5 crypto, along with Bitcoin and Ethereum and Binance's BNB, to briefly surge to $50 on the exchange Gemini, an increase of around 8,000%. And that gave the XRP a greater market cap than Bitcoin at $2.6 trillion. Very, very interesting. And yes, the Winklevoss twins giving away 4,000 XRP every day at 3 p.m. Interesting. Gemini, again, a leading US-based exchange, has unveiled a limited-time giveaway of 4,000 XRP tokens a day. The announcement made via the official tweet reads, "We're giving away 4,000 XRP every day at 3 p.m. Introducing the XRP faucet right here has already seen its first giveaway close just 2 hours after being made public." Dubbed the XRP faucet, the giveaway began on August 11th right here, which is only 2 days ago, at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, and slated to conclude at August 18th. They're actually giving away XRP. Unbelievable. Anyway, Shiba Inu release countdown. Top exchange teases Shiba Inu tokens listing. An intriguing move on major centralized crypto exchange KuCoin, I have used that many times, has sparked excitement within the Shiba community by hinting at a possibility of listing tokens from Shiba Inu's ecosystem. The timing aligns closely with the long-anticipated launch of the Layer 2 solution, Shibarium. The excitement began when KuCoin's official X account posted cleverly orchestrated teaser on their platform. A simple yet compelling image depicted the iconic Shiba Inu dog placed under the date on August 12th. The intrigue deepened right here as the dog bone was positioned under the dates of August 15th and 16th, aligning precisely with the expected release window of Shibarium. So again, what are we, the 13th of August again? It's not that far away. Not that far away. So again, I do hold my Shiba Inu. I don't really get political on my channel, but this I had to put up here. But Donald Trump currently holds Ethereum. Really. The Republican presidential candidate and former US President Donald Trump holds between $250,000 and $500,000 Ethereum. His financial disclosure revealed the billionaire has actual crypto assets held in a crypto wallet, Ethereum. That might be proceeds from the NFT sales, which I think it really is, in December 2022, with the previous disclosures citing NFTs as an income between $100,000 to $1 million. Did anyone actually buy one of these? I'm curious. Let me know in the live chat. Anyway, moving on. Hedera Hashgraph was right. Posts Galaxy's launch. Here's what you should know. Obviously, the Hedera network just concluded one of its most exciting weeks in recent history. This is largely due to the launch of its first social network called Galaxy. In the midst of all of HBAR's price action seems unfazed by the milestone. I think it's definitely flying under the radar in my opinion. And Galaxy has the potential to attract more users onto Hedera ecosystem given that it's social platform. We have a lot of social platforms at the moment. A lot. Anyway, such developments often have a positive impact on the native crypto of host blockchain network. However, Hedera, for its part, did not demonstrate a shift in its demand dynamics within the last 48 hours. Instead, HBAR's price has been a bearish trajectory right now for the last 3 days. Since midweek prior to that, crypto was on a bullish movement right now. Again, very interesting right there. I don't think we need any more social networks. There's so many. Does anyone actually use Threads? Seriously, does anyone actually use Threads? Can you let me know in the live chat? I want to know if anyone actually uses it. Anyway, Bitcoin bought by corporate giants should not be feared right now, Michael Saylor. During a recent interview and a podcast right here, Michael Saylor explained that Bitcoin being bought by corporations should not be feared, outlining 3 main reasons for driving need for custodians. During a recent podcast interview, MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor expressed his opinion that large corporations purchasing and holding Bitcoin in their custody right now should not be a cause for concern. Moving on, emphasized the inevitability of third-party and corporate participation growing in the Bitcoin space. However, he suggested that while Bitcoin enthusiasts may desire total self-control or sovereignty right here over their Bitcoin, it might not be the only answer, as people will be using Bitcoin for diverse purposes. There are different types of wrappers. Some people will always be self-custody, which I advocate for, and I use my Algorand Titan, by the way, just to clarify. You can use whatever you like, and make sure you back up your seed phrase, please, and keep that secure. And some people will also be multi-sig right here. Some will need a layer 3 custodian. There will be a need for political and utility functionality purposes, which again is going to happen. There's going to be big money coming into this space. Litecoin, ladies and gentlemen, again, I do hold this now. Again, has growth in strength since 2019, halving which is interesting. And Litecoin, also popularly referred to as digital silver, and I love silver, as you can tell, obviously embarked on a new path of growth and adoption as it completed all-important halving event, and the quadrennial occurrence that cut miners' block reward in half raised hopes for an increase in demand, now scarcer LTC. And LTC has come a long way since the halving in August 5th, 2019. In a post on social media platform X, the network's official handle drew a comparison between the network's transaction volume in 2019, present time levels. The data revealed a whopping 5x jump. There you go. Very, very nice. I still hold my Litecoin. Now, this is what really I'm bullish on, all right? So, a lot of people don't like Solana, but I do like it, all right? Now, obviously, you got here, Solana might repeat Ethereum performance in the next bull run. Now, again, why would Raoul Pal talk about this? Anyway, based on recent reports by on-chain analyst Delphi Digital, the crypto researcher indicates a number of similarities between Ethereum DeFi summer of 2020 and what Solana might be up to in 2024, which is not far away. And after a massive rally in 2020 and a painful drawdown in the next bull market, Solana might re-emerge from the ashes and repeat the performance of Ethereum. Analyst and podcaster Sal Kadir shared such conclusions with his Twitter followers yesterday, or I should say August 11th. Look, this is crazy, but ghosts of cycles past, the early innings of a new cycle. I'll be focusing on what it means for Solana. Based on the 4-year cycle's approach, the current performance can be compared to that of Q4 of 2019. The analyst admits at the same time, given the fact that DeFi activity increased on Solana, the blockchain might be entering its version of Ethereum's 2020 DeFi summer right now. And also, in terms of total value locked on DeFi protocol, Solana is an undisputed leader amid all of the layer 1 blockchains outside the Ethereum virtual machine or EVM ecosystem. Let me know in the live chat if you guys are holding that. Now, this is crazy, but WorldCoin, does anyone freaking know about this? Does anyone actually hold this? I have my little thing here. I'm curious, but WorldCoin is creepy. It's weird. But I just saw a thing on Bloomberg right now with Mike Novogratz and David Rubenstein, and it's interesting. I'll play that for you in a sec. But the crypto project with the iris-based identity verification system intends to allow companies and governments access to its cutting-edge ID technology. WorldCoin, the new crypto project co-founded by OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman, is preparing to broaden its global presence. And the creator of widely popular ChatGPT is looking to sign up more users globally to use its cutting-edge iris scanning and identity verifying technology. Creepy, man. A senior manager for the company told Reuters, having made its official debut last month, the innovative WorldCoin project requires users to give their iris scans, your freaking eye, in exchange for a digital ID, and in some countries even a free cryptocurrency bonus as an incentive to create an identity and financial network. Now again, you're going to want to watch this interview. I'm going to play you in a second, so stick with me because it's wild. Anyway, CryptoMeter.io, let's have a look where the money's been flowing. We've got obviously, what do we got here? Pepe, Solana, there you go, BNB, Reef, Gem. We've got Maker as well. Which is nice, Cardano, XRP of course, and Ethereum and Bitcoin, that is a given. Now let's go to Twitter, or I should say X. I keep saying Twitter, but it's X. I'm not used to it yet, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, the Wall Street Bull Oz, go follow me on Twitter if you think you want some information. But anyway, thank you to those 5,382 people, you guys rock. I am giving this bull ring away, guys, as well, when I hit 100,000 subs on YouTube. There it is right there. Very, very nice. That'll be made for you as well, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, that is it. And again, let's just get to this because I want to play you guys this because I think it's incredibly bullish. Have a listen to this interview with Mike Novogratz and David Rubenstein on Bloomberg. Literally, I don't know, probably what, about 25, 30 minutes ago? How long have we been on here? 30 minutes. Have a listen to this.
The Exchange Commission has ramped up enforcement actions against some of the biggest names in the crypto industry, like Coinbase, Binance, Gemini, and Genesis. Since their inception, cryptocurrencies and digital tokens have existed in a regulatory gray area. SEC Chair Gary Gensler believes most cryptocurrencies are securities, meaning his agency has the power to regulate them. One big argument the SEC is alleging, many crypto tokens were never registered with the SEC, and therefore, many firms are selling or providing an exchange for unregistered securities. The crypto industry disagrees with Gensler that digital tokens should be classified as securities, and so does a federal judge, at least partially. In July, the SEC's argument suffered a major setback when a judge ruled that in some scenarios, Ripple Labs' digital token XRP is not considered a security, but the ruling was narrow, and the SEC may appeal. For now, regulatory uncertainty looms large over the crypto industry.
The SEC said that Ripple was a currency and or security, I should say, and therefore they sued Ripple, arguing that Ripple should be able to do what it wanted to do, and the SEC lost in federal court. Is that a big victory for the crypto industry, or do you think the SEC is going to appeal?
I think the SEC probably appeals. I think it was a huge victory, and it's a victory mostly in that, forget who was right or who was wrong. Gary Gensler at the SEC has been saying over and over, the rules are clear, just follow the rules. And we had a federal judge that said, the rules are nothing close to clear. But our stance, MIOTA Gratz's Galaxies and the whole industry stance has been, help us get clear rules, because they're not clear. And so I think loud and clear, the message was, Gary, you've been wrong, that the rules aren't clear, and Congress has to get its tail in gear to get us some rules.
Now, Coinbase is one of the best-known companies in the crypto industry. It makes markets for people that want to trade in crypto. But the SEC has recently taken action against Coinbase and argued that it's doing things that are illegal. What is your view on that?
Listen, I think Brian Armstrong is brave, and it's an interesting strategy to fight this in public. He's like, this is unfair. And what he's saying is, in essence, what I just said. The rules weren't clear. The approach from the SEC to regulate through enforcement, to really thwart our industry, which feels like it's come from Elizabeth Warren and Sherrod Brown and maybe Lel Brainerd and a few people, we called it choke point 2.0 operation, seems obvious and is just un-American. And it feels like the crypto community is tough and resilient. One of the things I learned is these communities don't go away. They believe, I mean, I have a tattoo of Bitcoin. You know, there is a religious zeal to people in the Bitcoin community.
The U.S. government is probably not a big fan of crypto. I think it's fair to say, the current U.S. government. So are you worried that the U.S. government will impose regulations on crypto that might thwart the growth of the industry?
Well, the U.S. government has been thwarting the growth of the industry, right? Gary Gensler and the White House, Gary at the SEC, has been regulating through enforcement in a really, what I think is unfortunate and unfair way. The tax that they've put on companies like ours is extreme. We'll spend $10 million on our audit. A normal audit should cost $3 million. Crypto should be bipartisan. And it was heading that way until Sam Bankman-Fried blew up and the Democrats felt stupid. And that opened a window where Elizabeth Warren and Sherrod Brown and the few anti-crypto progressives decided crypto wasn't progressive, which is crazy because I can't think of anything more progressive than crypto.
It seems to me that the Republicans on Capitol Hill seem to be more supportive of the crypto industry than Democrats.
Keep watching.
Is that because they like
free market
economics, or what's the reason you think?
You know, crypto's complicated, right? Bitcoin is a freedom, right? It's freedom. It's keep the government out of my business. And so even when we think about stable coins, we will have stable coins in every country in the world. So stable coin is a digital representation of the national currency. You can have them like China, where the central government knows every penny you spend on what you spend it on. Or you can have them very decentralized, where the government, where they look and feel a lot like just digital cash and anything in between. And so it's a real important debate. The Republican side is more freedom.
But outside of the United States, a number of countries are encouraging crypto companies to come there because they say we have better regulation or less regulation. So do you think the U.S. will lose itself as the center of crypto industry?
We are, slowly but surely, more and more. I mean, you see E16Z is setting up in a big office in London. We are moving more people to Hong Kong and to London. And so it's frustrating. I think in the long run, crypto needs the U.S. Like, it's hard to have a global system without the biggest economy, but it is unbelievably unfortunate how long it's taking us.
Now, your company is headquartered in New York, where we are now. Do you envision actually taking your company offshore and headquartered offshore because there are more favorable regulations to cryptocurrencies?
We're going to move parts of our company offshore, but I just love this city, and so I don't see us not being in the U.S. or being in New York, but we will move substantial pieces.
Now, recently, Sam Altman, who's famous for his involvement with artificial intelligence, has his own new Bitcoin version, I guess not Bitcoin, but a cryptocurrency called WorldCoin. Now, WorldCoin supposedly uses the retina to identify the user. Do you think this is the future, or?
You know, digital identity is really, really important, and it hasn't been cracked yet. There's lots of ways we can identify people. We can, by attestation. I know David Rubenstein, therefore he's David Rubenstein. I can attest to it, right? Through government licensing process. We can get a driver's license, right? We can have a digital version of that. Biometrics is a piece. It's scary to give out your biometrics, in essence, just for free or to be able to get this coin. But it might work, right? We do it on Bloomberg. Every time we log in to Bloomberg, we put our fingerprint down there. And so how we decide how important privacy is and who gets the data and who gets to do what with the data is really important.
So you think there will be this new world coin will take off, or it's too early to know?
I think you don't want to bet against Sam Altman right now. And so I think the price potentially could go a lot higher because there's an AI hype cycle. I don't know if we will all use that as our identity.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, my microphone's turned up because it was just filmed before, but that is freaking insane. There you go. You've heard it from David Rubenstein and Mike Novogratz. Now, again, I know a lot of people either like the guy or don't, whatever, man. But anyway, this is definitely one I might have to keep on the radar, ladies and gentlemen, for WorldCoin. I don't know. I don't really like the idea of an orb taking photographs or swapping my iris out for a digital identity or a crypto, like, all right, man, it's a bit freaky and a bit weird, but this chat GPT thing's gone a bit crazy, don't you think? Let me know in the live chat. We'll get to it at the end, guys. Anyway, obviously we've got some bullish stuff here, but Jack the Rippler, thank you for this tweet. Barclays is ready to use XRP to settle money from A to B. One of the freaking 400, 500 plus banks around the world that are going to be using this, and there'll be thousands lining up, in my opinion. This was yesterday, but Senator Cynthia Loomis just filed an amicus brief supporting Coinbase's motion to dismiss the SEC's complaint, which is pretty bullish in my opinion. Now, Fabio, thank you for the tweet, mate. I saw that. XRP Gold Coast, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be happening. Now, again, Volante and Ripple right now was the done deal long ago. Timing is everything right now. A picture is worth 1,000 words. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Riz. Now, Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index right now. Thank you, Michael Saylor. Move your tweet, mate. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at neutral, again, at 54. Zimbabwe has announced its plans to launch a gold-backed digital currency, which is interesting. Could it be done with XRP? I know for a fact XDC is actually tokenizing gold. It's not being backed by gold, but it is tokenizing gold in the UAE, which is nice. Now, this is the full list right here, but like 36 million XRP, Bitfinex right here, and Bittrex basically holding the most, 157 million XRP right there. Again, it's pretty crazy when you think about that. Now, Bitcoin ETF approval as well in the United States could be imminent. The SEC is reportedly close to approving a Bitcoin ETF, which would allow investors to buy and sell Bitcoin on major stock exchanges. That is huge, ladies and gentlemen. It is huge. Now, again, a breaking Russian government reveals that they have partnered with Ripple to use XRP for transactions. And if you zoom in right here, you can see right here currently the most, where are we? Sorry, guys, I've just lost my, there it is. Currently the most common platforms used for piloting by financial organizations. And the solution regulators based on blockchain technology are Ethereum, Corda, Ripple, Quorum, Hyperledger, Fabric, which is interesting. Keep an eye on that as well. Now, Overledger, the XRP ledger, overtakes Ethereum in daily transactions in August, which is bullish. Now, this is crazy. I have to look into this, but Jeff Bezos, obviously, we are working to implement a new payment system for Amazon that allows payment of cryptocurrencies like XRP, Bitcoin, and many others. It's just the start. one of many Bitcoin scenarios from Plan B right now again. I mean, look, he's got some pretty interesting charts. And again, he's pretty bullish and spot on his predictions right here. And they're quite accurate right now. I mean, looking back at 2010, Bitcoin is doing exactly the same thing over the years, as you can see right here. 2018, 2019, etc., etc. I mean, whew, we're very close, guys. We're very close. Only 6 months out for the next halving. Now, Shiba Inu advances with 1.1 billion Shiba weekly burn. They need to burn a lot more, but guys, they're burning a lot of tokens, which is crazy when you think about it. Now, I'm not going to play this interview because it goes for too long. And yes, the Bitcoin hash rate through 400 EH this week right now and continues its parabolic 500% rise since 2021 China mining ban, which is interesting. Yes, this is the full paper here as well in regards to Russia using Ripple. And if I zoom in on right here, guys, you can see this Ripple platform can be considered as the basis for starting work and creating a system of cross-border settlements, provided that the following organizational, legal, technical issues are resolved. There you go. Very, very interesting right now. And yes, we have Ripple tweeting out the role of privacy is critical in successful implementation of CBDCs. I don't like them right there. And obviously breaking blockchain trials reveal XRP is the most efficient crypto to exist within blockchain. It's faster and a hell of a lot cheaper than Ethereum. Anyway, let's go to... By the way, just quickly, guys, yes, this is my official Instagram. There are so many fakes out there, again, at the Wall Street Bull Oz. All right? Just clarifying that. Please make sure you're following the right Instagram. A lot of people have been scammed. Let's go to CoinMarketCap, then we're getting into the questions in the live chat, guys. 1.17 trillion US dollars, $16.21 billion in volume, 48% BTC, 18% Ethereum. I would love to see XRP overtake Ethereum. It has done it before, it will do it again. 26,526 cryptocurrencies. Just as a reminder, there were a lot of cryptos in the last bull market, for those of you who are new into this space, and that were absolute BS. A lot of them went to zero. On the Binance Smart Chain, there was many of them. Yes, I did fall victim to a few of them. You live and learn. Anyway, 26,000 cryptocurrencies. Again, there was like this whole time where there were just new coins created out of thin air. Project members, whatever, they just disappeared. So just be careful, all right? Now, again, there is significant, obviously, not much trading volume in the last 24 hours. It is down, a good time to dollar cost average. Now, yes, this is my portfolio. CKB, Atlas, very bullish on Star Atlas, Nexra, Ravane, RSR, Telcoin, Solana, and the Graph. Full list is in the Patreon, guys. And yes, the main focus is the banking coin list, which I think everyone should have one anyway. But I've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, of course, Cardano, AVAX, Chainlink, XLM, Hedera, Quant, ALGO, XDC, IOTA, Casper, Nexra, LCX as well. Now, there are a few projects on the Quantum Financial System list which I need to add onto this. They include Solargenic as well, Flare, and there is also another one, I believe it's Corium. Forgive me if I'm saying it wrong. But anyway, I would love to see XRP go parabolic all time. What are we up? 10,500%, which is just insane when you think about it. Insane. Anyway, guys, that is it. Now, let's get into the live chat now. I'm going to scroll up here because there's quite a bit. Welcome, Eddie. Welcome, Lights. Trey's right here if I say that. Let's have a look. I smell bull run, fellas. Yes, I do. Solana is the worst crypto ever. Mo-K. No, it is not. There are definitely worse cryptos in my opinion. Let's have a look here. Everybody, please hit the like button. Thanks, the Don. Appreciate that. Shiba and XRP. Is Shiba real for a big pump? Well, in my opinion, Shibarium could send this thing going parabolic. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see when that actually gets launched. A good day from the United States. Welcome from the United States and around the world, everybody. The UK, Liverpool in the UK. Thanks, Robert. Appreciate that. Morning from Pennsylvania, USA. I actually have family there, believe it or not. They're probably watching me right now. Pennsylvania, yes. Shannon, thanks, mate. I appreciate the post right there. Let's have a look. Why is XDC not listed on most crypto exchanges? Yeah, look, I'm not entirely sure, but I mean, if you go on CoinMarketCap, you'll be able to see the markets it is available on. Storage is a bit of a pain to store XDC for sure. That gave me a bit of grief. I had 10,000 ADA before it sold, all before in 2021. Okay, I still hold my Cardano, just putting that out there. Something is wrong. Bitcoin only 29,000, U days 45,000. It's Australian dollars, guys, at the start of my videos normally. Let's have a look. Vet is going to be big. Yes, Nero. Yes, it is definitely going to be big in my opinion. I only have 3 Quant. It's only me 1612. I believe it's going to be a $10,000 to $20,000 asset in the future. It has less of a supply than Bitcoin, Quant, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have a look. Let's have a look and see what's circulating at the moment. All right, so we've got circulating is 12 million Quant, and total is 14.8 million. It has less than Bitcoin, which is just wild. I still am bullish on it. It's 40,000% in all time, which is crazy. Fly Kiwi, what do you think about XCN? What is XCN? Let's have a look. I actually haven't seen that one. Let me have a look. Search. Let's have a look. XCN. Is it one of these? I'm not sure. I have not seen any of those. I'll have to take a deep dive. Let's have a look here. What else we've got? Hi, mate, from the Philippines. Hey, welcome from the Philippines. Love your channel. And where is Gucci? She's sleeping at the moment, by the way. She's on the couch, chilling out. Good morning from Canada. Good morning. Crypto Hulk is the best. Go see Crypto Hulk. Thanks, mate. Yeah, I'm a big fan of his channel. It's awesome. 2025, flip the switch and sit back, stock up on utility tokens and relax, be emotionless. Yeah, that's a big thing. And forgive me if I'm pronouncing your username, Obstagoon Callum. I'm going to call you Callum. Anyway, yeah, utility tokens are going to be king. And yes, everybody should take profits and be emotionless. Everyone needs to be patient. I notice a lot of impatient investors out there. My brother from down under to the moon. Yes, Mitch, how you going, mate? Thank you. Bro's room looks like a hotel suite in The Fifth Element. Hey, that's a good freaking movie. That is a good movie, by the way. I love The Fifth Element. Love it. Let's have a look right now. I think he's already on the moon. That's hilarious, man. I love The Fifth Element, by the way. It's a great movie. Can you give me your thoughts on what LPT is doing right now? I'll have to look into that and provide an update in the community tab. Let's have a look. What is your realistic XRP price prediction in 10 years? 10 years from now. Well, look what's happened in the last 2.5 years. Ripple's basically won the lawsuit anyway. XRP is not a security, right? A lot of banks and institutions are wanting to get into cryptocurrency. That's just a freaking no-brainer in my opinion. There's a lot of institutions out there that want to get a piece of this, and they do want it. That's for sure. 10 years. I mean, what are we talking here? Let's have a look, all right? 2013, XRP was in the pennies. I mean, that wasn't that long ago, 2013. So that was 10 years ago. 10 years ago, guys, 2013, now we're in 2023. It's up 10,500%. So I would be assuming in the next 10 years, you would see another 10,000%, if not more. More than what you're seeing now. Given the fact that, yes, it is one of the only two cryptos, Bitcoin and XRP are the only regulated cryptocurrencies by law anyway. I mean, the CFTC called Bitcoin a commodity. Gary Gensler, I mean, as much as we all don't like the guy, it's a commodity. So, yeah, I think easily it'll be well and truly hundreds and hundreds of dollars. I can't even say, guys. It's going to be wild. It'll be wild. Let's have a look here. Is Quant a good investment? I do hold Quant in the portfolio, so yeah, I believe it is. That's just my opinion. Hell yeah, Quant is a good investment, not financial advice. Agree with that one. Dr. Strange, can you make a video where you show your crypto portfolio? Well, my portfolio is here. Sorry, what was your username? Dr. Strange. This is my portfolio I actually hold, and I put that up in the portfolio, I should say, in the Patreon, I should say, every single day. So go check that out. I put up the full list every single day. There's a lot of coins in there. There is literally a lot of coins. Big Sol fan and Charles, yeah, I agree. I have Quant, WorldCoin, thumbs down. Yeah, I'm not really a fan, but if it's, you know, money-making thing, that's pretty cool. Let's go. Hello from Thomastown. How you going, mate? Let's have a look. Yes, keep scrolling down. What is your realistic price? 10 years. XRP, no, need to go back to $50 so I can sell half. I wouldn't be selling it now. It's just too early in my opinion. How do I recover my fund if I send it to the wrong address? You can't, unfortunately. Sean, thank you, Anthony, for all the information. Much appreciated, brother. You're welcome, Sean. Hello from Florida. What do you think about XYO? Now, XYO is a coin that I got into extremely early. Now, again, it's a very, very bullish project on geospatial tracking technology, and I'll just have a look and see what's going on with it, because I haven't looked at it in a while. I do hold this. It's in the pennies at the moment. Let's have a look. We have 13.9 billion XYO, 13.4 billion in circulating supply. So again, pretty much the whole thing is in circulation, which is good as well. Project is very, very cool. Geospatial technology right here. And again, let's have a look. Cryptocurrency that operates on Ethereum platform. Now, I will say that the Ethereum gas fees when buying this were a freaking nightmare, to be honest with you, and has a current supply of 13.9 billion in circulation. The last known price of XYO, again, is the 0.003 USD and is up over 0.11 over the last 24 hours and currently is trading at 60 active markets with a $280 million traded over the last 24 hours. So again, very, very bullish on XYO. I got in very early on this one. Jacksonville, Florida right now. That's awesome. Welcome. When are you coming to Thailand, mate? Beers. Yeah, it'd be good to go to Thailand. XRP chart looks bullish to me. Has closed our blue flag pattern. Oh, sorry, that just went away. Blue flag pattern right here. Primed for a pump. Very, very nice. I reckon XRP in 10 years in institutions option 4 digits maybe. Yeah, I think so. Good morning from Stuart, Florida. Love watching your show, drinking my coffee. Welcome. Welcome. Enjoy that coffee. Let's have a look. Tomo USDT. Let's have a look here. If you send your coins to the wrong address, you can't get it back. Yes, that is facts. Make sure you check the wallet addresses, ladies and gentlemen. Please be careful. Read it. Try and use these QR codes if you can when transferring from a wallet, obviously, to an exchange or whatever it may be. Yeah, so just be careful with your wallet addresses. I've made that mistake a couple of times. When you start losing, you know, a few $1,000s here and there, yeah, it can get pretty full on. Let's have a look here. Good morning, everyone. Drinking coffee and watching the show myself. Welcome, Snake Doctor 78. Make sure it's an espresso, by the way. Don't drink that instant crap. It's just terrible. My day doesn't start until I see your videos. Thanks, mate. Really appreciate that. Dr. Strange, what is better in your opinion, Casper or Casper? I don't hold either of them. I only hold one Casper, and that is in my banking coin list, which is right here, which is Casper. CSPR is the ticker, so to speak. I'm very bullish on this. Working with Google, I should say Alphabet, bullish as anything, and IBM building quantum computers, QFS system. Let's have a look. Doge, $1. I'm still holding all my, I should say a majority of my Doge. I did sell a big portion of that and put it into Bitcoin, so I'm still holding that. Puerto Rico, watching an Aussie internet rocks. How you going, mate? Welcome to the channel. Good morning right here. Hello from the Bay Area, CA. With the Shiba Inu upcoming, with what non-financial price prediction you think Shiba Inu will get? Let's have a look at Shiba Inu. I'm going to end up on this, guys. Let's have a look at SHIB. So, we have Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu launch is occurring, and the total supply right now is 589 trillion Shiba Inu. That is a lot of tokens, right? Circulating, it's basically all in circulation. Diluted market cap at the moment, $6.2 billion, which is crazy. And the volume in the last 24 hours is $0.432 billion, which is wild. Now, again, all-time high, obviously you can see there is 40,000,008. Very interesting. An all-time low was 0 anyway. But Shiba Inu, I mean, I got into this... I got into this a long time ago, and I've been holding it for a long time. And well before the whole thing with Vitalik, the gift... which was basically half the supply of Shiba Inu, which was crazy. He did gift that away to India, I believe, a large portion of that to India during the pandemic, which, again, I'm all for that. There's obviously a lot of humanitarian stuff that he did with that money, and I believe he still holds a lot of Shiba Inu. Crazy when you think about that. So again, what do I think about it? Where it's going to go, I would love this to go to, you know, 10 cents. It would just be life-changing, but we'll see. Needs to be a lot of tokens burned for this. What do you think about Casper? Let's have a look at Casper. And that's tokenomics right here. Sorry guys, let me get this up. Casper, KAS right here again at 4 cents. I'm not invested in Casper, but it's got a 20.1 billion on total supply, and they're all in circulation at the moment. A market cap of 0.8 billion. And I just want to check what its all-time was during the previous bull market. Let's have a look, guys. 2020. You actually can't even do that on here, can you? Let's have a look. Interesting one. Keep an eye on that one. I will definitely do a deep dive in that on the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Definitely. Bullish on Casper. APY is 11.2%. Quite nice. Yes, for sure. Very, very sure. Now, that is it, guys. I think I'm going to sign off now and go chill out and watch some finance news. I do appreciate everyone joining the live stream. Thank you to those 1,358 people. You guys absolutely rock. And I'll be back tomorrow with a video as well on the channel. So thank you very much for joining the live stream. It's been awesome talking with everyone. Guys, join the Patreon. And more importantly, I love talking with everyone in there directly. It's so much easier. So join up to that. And I'll be posting up my bot updates as well. And yeah, join up, guys. It's incredible. Stuff I'm posting up there is awesome, and it'll be probably considered financial advice on YouTube, so I've got to be careful. That's why there's a Patreon. Anyway, thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it. You guys absolutely rock, and I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. All right? Stay safe. Have a good night, a good evening, and if it's good morning, I hope you have an espresso, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Peace out, guys. Bye.